Hi, I'm Kai, and in the last couple of days I got a lot of requests about the data portal. I got a lot of messages on LinkedIn or on YouTube. Hey Kai, where is the data portal? The bad news is, yes, the data portal is gone, the data portal is dead. The good news is there is a new data portal with much more advantages, and you can use it also for free. How this works, I show you in this video. So most probably when you try to open the data portal, you go to Utilities and here to the data portal. And now you get the message that the data portal is not available anymore. So I will close the old data portal, and here under Utilities you have also the EPLAN ePiles. When we open this, we get this window for EPLAN ePiles, what is basically the EPLAN cloud environment. And for this you need to sign in. If you don't have a sign in already, you can create your own EPLAN ID. So this is nothing special. This works like all other account creations. And then you can log in and have the data portal available. So I will show you this in the new version EPLAN 2023. So here in the platform 2023, for example, you can go to EPLAN Cloud. And here you have the EPLAN Cloud dashboard. If maybe you don't have these icons, try to click on EPLAN Cloud dashboard and then opens up these icons, and it opens up also this window. So you can go directly here on the icon, or you can now go here within the EPLAN Cloud to these apps. And here you find also the data portal. What you need to do anyhow is that you log in before you use EPLAN 2023. So it makes sense to set up your own EPLAN ID. And here in the new data portal, you can use under filters, like you did it in the old data portal, the search function, and you have a lot of nice selectors here. This was a little bit tricky in the old data portal. Here you can find them very easy. For example, the harding configurator, where you can now select the components. Also, the part request is available here, so in case you miss something, you can also use here the request forms when you want to request directly at the manufacturer or when you want to request some parts from EPLAN. So what I have seen as well is that people use the EPLAN data portal within your browser. For example, your Google Chrome browser. The problem with that is you also need to log in, so this is no problem. You can also use here all the functionalities. But when you want to download your part, for example here the rental cabinet, you will not find the EPLAN parts. You can download the DXF file, for example, or you can download the commercial data, but because your browser has no direct access to your EPLAN software, you cannot directly take your parts in EPLAN. So this is just possible when you use the data portal directly in EPLAN. When we click here now, you can see that you have many more possibilities. So don't worry, the EPLAN data portal is still available, still for free, and it works like before. It's just now on another place. Thanks for watching this video. If you have further questions, please leave a comment below this video. Drop a like if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications. Hope to see you in the next video, which I recommend you on the right side. Grow your EPLAN skills.